Royal LePage is a great place to be. We've got some of the best agents in the industry, we've got leading market share, and we've got great technology and processes to help you succeed in your business.
What amazes me about this business is that it has managed to stay not only relevant, but exceedingly successful in helping clients home over decades and decades of change.
Royal LePage, Canada's leading real estate company. We're #1 in over 100 real estate markets across the country. We're #1 in Oakville. Royal LePage, we rock.